Today we're going to be looking at 4 natural movements to improve your core and stability. First exercise. Alright, so for this exercise, you start off in a quadrupedal position and you simply bring one hand forward and you hold a plank position and stabilize your body. Come back to the starting position, switch hands, stabilize. On this particular drill, you're looking to keep your body squared off. So you're not dipping one side or the other, keeping nice and square with your plank. All right, that's exercise number 1. Exercise number 2. Alright, so as you can see, you start off in a deep knee bend position, then you step out with the hands. It's nice to take 3 steps or 4. That way you can situate yourself correctly. Support your weight on one hand and then dip into your plank. Walk yourself back. Alternate hands, dip into your plank. This is giving you some movement, some rotation in your shoulder. Obviously, you're working it all the way down to your toes. It's exercise number 2. Exercise number 3. Okay, on this one, notice, well, I'm starting off at the kneeling position, but when I step out, I take the arm out to the side here. Not so much in line, but to the side so that you have a wide enough base for when you put your other arm out, so you have an area that you can dip in nice and comfortably. Then to the other side, nice wide base, and dip into the movement. You gotta think about these things too. It's not just an exercise, it's a practical movement. You plant your hands down, create your base of support. You need to move to somewhere else. Practical. That's exercise number 3. Exercise number 4, a bit more challenging. Alright, so what's going on is you're using 10 counts. You can use 5 counts, 20, whatever the number you desire. But what you're doing is starting off in a deep knee bend, hold it for 10 seconds, crawl your way out to a plank, hold it for 10 seconds. Make sure you go ahead and get those armpits moving forward so the elbows are pointing back. Nice stable position. Then you lower yourself for 10 seconds and then push back up for 10 seconds. Hold the plank for 10 seconds. Crawl your way back to the deep knee bend position and hold for 10 seconds. Then you crawl your way back out and keep the cycle going. So yes, it's quite a bit more challenging, especially on the push-up section. But as I mentioned, you can cut the numbers down, 5 seconds, 2 seconds, whatever's good for you, and make it work. You could also do the push-ups on your knees as opposed to in a plank position. That's exercise number 4. Bonus, 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 bonus! All right, an extra exercise for you all. It's number 5. If you have something like this contraption, one of these roller deals, you can use this to incorporate with your natural movement. I'll give you a demonstration. Alright, so you start out in a deep knee bend with your roller ready to go. Place the roller down. Use your stability to get you out into a knee roller position. And then from here, you extend your body out as far as you need to go. Then you pull yourself back, engaging the core, and roll yourself back up to a deep knee position, a deep knee bend position. So this can be a tricky exercise. You have to make sure you have a back that can suit this. You do have the opportunity to come out to a much shorter distance if you need to. You got to really gauge it for yourself. to see where your body is able to move with this particular device. So take care, be careful, gauge yourself, have fun with these core and stability exercises.